Oh, damn. These camera angles, man, they're just so tricky. I don't know what's going on half the time. It's a complicated technology, you know. You have to really think about it before you start filming. Um, anyway, so today we are going to, what is it?
Playa Esmeralda.
Playa Esmeralda in Playa del Carmen. We're still in Playa del Carmen. And this Playa Esmeralda has this little like lagoon thing, this crystal clear water.
Cenote,
I guess
right?
it's kind of like a cenote in a way. The water shoots out from the ground. There's like a big hole in the ground and it just shoots out into the ocean. So stay tuned to that. Stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that. Marble Mouth. Anyways, it's gonna be like an hour walk. Like, ooh, you know what I mean? Like, ooh, sweat and all that. But here we go. Okay, guys, we lied. It's Punta Esmeralda. Sorry for the misinformation. Stay tuned. All right, so we've been 15 minutes into our walk, walking along the busy highway here, on our way to Punta Esmeralda, Playa Punta Esmeralda. Just the jungles right here, and a busy ass highway. There we go, last turn. We're almost at the beach here.
¿De cuál le doy? ¿Picante?
Sí. Hey guys, so we just bought this bag of fruit with chilies on it. 30 pesos. So it's about $2 Canadian. And they always put like chilies on their fruits. Even like the oranges, look, they got chilies on it. It's good though. I've kind of become accustomed to it.
That's
I always hate spices on my fruit because it's like, what the hell is the point, you dicks? It's supposed to be sweet, but it's kind of good. Still like my sweet fruit though. And we're almost at the beach here, so shouldn't be more than a couple more minutes. There's the lagoon over there. That's where we're getting to. There's some info about the beach. It's in Spanish, no idea. I only speak Spanish, I don't read it. I'm just joking. Yep. There's the lagoon, guys. Look at this. Ooh, the water's so clear, too. Nice Playa del Carmen sign. Okay, so we're just checking things out. Look how clear this water is. These birds are just living it up over there. We're just gonna explore the area a little bit here. And one thing of note is that they've got 10 or 20 workers in here just cleaning up everything, raking, and so that's nice. Getting rid of the trash, keeping it nice. But man, there's the Caribbean there. Fuck, so beautiful. Look at that water, guys. So there's a freshwater. There's like a freshwater hole that pumps water out here. I don't know exactly where it is, but yeah, apparently I think this is like this is gonna be brackish probably, which means it's part salty, part freshwater. Like, see, you can see water coming out right there. Maybe that's where the hole is. You can see there's a little bit of a current there. This is amazing. You could just sit right in here. You should, dude. That'd be fucking awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go see what this sign says. Different types of animals here. The fauna. Oh, damn, there's sharks here. Bull sharks. Dude, bull sharks are... I don't even know. Are they dangerous? I'm not sure. I know tiger sharks are dangerous. Bull sharks, I'm sure they bite people. Super clear water. Look at that water. So clear. There's some kind of a brick wall here. I'm gonna walk out here. All right, so we're gonna get this little lagoon spot for a little bit. Seeing as how no one's in it yet. I'm sure this will be full of kids later. Man, there's lots of little fish swimming around. Ooh, this is nice. It's pretty warm too, not bad. So I guess here's where the lagoon flows out into the ocean. That's cool. You should fucking lay in there. That'd be awesome. So we're just trying to find this hole that comes out of the lagoon. We've searched all that side. I want to see this hole where the fresh water pumps out of. But this is the last little part we haven't explored here. Where's the hole? Fresh water. Holy, so many fish. There's a hole here. I don't think that's it though. Ooh, slippery. I don't see the hole. Huh? So we snagged a spot. The only shady spot basically on this part. And look at that. We got the lagoon over there, and then the Caribbean Sea right there. Woohoo! We gave him some plantains, these little buggers, devil birds. Okay, so apparently there's a cenote back here, so I'm just gonna go check it out. Casey's gonna save our place. We'll look back here, find this cenote. So I went back there and there's a couple girls chilling, so I didn't want to interrupt them. Maybe when they leave, I'll go back again. All right, guys, so the two girls left. And look at that, we got the cenote all to ourselves. But that guy said there's big old fish in here. I see a lot of fish, actually. Look how blue that water is, that's cool. We're gonna go in. Look at that blue water from above here. Just a tiny little cenote. I think the water pumps out of there. Look at all the fish. Oh yeah, we're going in. All right, I'm going in. Ooh, mushy. Oh, that's a gross little spot there. Oh, just flinged up mud on myself. I'm going in this way here. Look at all the fish swimming. Oh, it's pretty good. There's tons of fish, man. All right. This guy, this drunk guy over there told us, he's like, grande pescado. So basically told us there's huge fish in this cenote. I just see little fish, but we just saw like a bigger one jump over there, so. I don't even know what the name of this is called though.
I don't know. Like, I guess Punta, Esmeralda, Cenote.
Yeah, maybe. It's cool though. Are you wearing lotion?
Nope.
Oh. We're causing like a little oil slick. So that concludes our little time at the Cenote. So if you guys ever come down to, what is it? Playa Punta Esmeralda. Walk back, like you'll see the lagoon. And there's no sign that points here at all. Like most people that come, I don't even think know about this, except the locals. So just kind of hop the fence or come around by the lifeguard tower. And you'll find this little gem here. And hopefully you get it all to yourselves like we did. But beautiful, beautiful spot. All right, guys, I think we're gonna go walk along this beach here. We had that nice spot on the shade, but we let her go just to go to the cenote, and then boom, the whole Mexican family's like, pinchy. But yeah. Oh, I see there's lots of spots along here, but people took them all. Okay, so we left the beach, unfortunately, but we're trying to find 5th Ave, which is a popular spot here in Playa del Carmen. And we'll see. We'll see if we even get there. Not really sure how far it is. Check out this guy just milling on a rock. Doesn't even give a shit about us. Hey, guy. Nah, he's used to people. He doesn't care. Another iguana. There's a fence between us and the iguanas. It's probably why they're not moving. All right, guys, so we just walked through town. We've already walked 9 kilometers, over 9 kilometers, and we're about to walk all the way back, which is gonna be like fucking 20 kilometers, so. But look at the beach, it's super nice. Blue water. We were walking along the beach here and we found this spot, look at this.
And you might see a titty.
There's some titties over there, guys. Titties. Oh, hey, I'll zoom in on the titties. No, just...
No, like zoom into the baby.
No. I don't want old tits on that camera. Hey guys, so our adventure's done and we're just sitting here like enjoying the evening out on the porch doing some work on the computer, but man, 20K we walked along the beach. We're just like exhausted. I had a rash on my thighs because my thighs were rubbing together and they're all sweaty and like freaking thunder thighs over here, just freaking friction, you know what I mean? And like I was and then I went in the salty water and it was like burned me and stuff. So, but that's besides the point. I don't have to talk about my medical situation. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, basically we had a really good day. It was fun. But at the end we were like, get away from me, son. And I just wanted to end the video because I didn't end it earlier. So